Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to convert improper fractions to mixed fractions. But before that, let's recall what are improper fractions. So improper fractions are the fractions where numerator is greater than the denominator. For example, 6 by 5, 9 by 7, 8 by 5, and many more such examples are there. Next, let's understand and recall what are mixed fractions. Now, mixed fractions are a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. For example, if we take over here 4, 3 by 5, 4 is the whole number part and 3 by 5 is the proper fraction. Hence, 4, 3 by 5 becomes a mixed fraction. 6, 5 by 7, 3, 2 by 5 are also some more examples. Now, it is very important to note over here that the fraction here is proper fraction. It will never be an improper fraction. If you take this as an example, then this will be incorrect as 9 by 5 is an improper fraction. But here we can only write on, we take only proper fractions. Now, let's move on to how we convert improper to mixed fractions. Again, it is very important to note that only improper fractions can be converted to mixed fractions. In improper fractions, we know numerator is greater than denominator. That is why we can divide the numerator by denominator. After dividing, we get a quotient, a remainder, and we have divisor. How do we convert when we divide numerator by the denominator? We get quotient, remainder, and divisor. How do we write it in the form of mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is written by Q, which is the quotient, becomes the whole number. R, which is the remainder, comes in the numerator. And D, which is the divisor, and the denominator comes in the denominator. Very simple. Now let us understand this through an example. For example, let's take 9 by 4 as one of the improper fraction. First step is we divide 9 by 4. Now the closest number that comes in the table of 4 closest to 9 is 8. So 8 comes by 4 to the 8. When we subtract it, we get remainder as 1. Hence, how do we write down 9 by 4 in terms of mixed fraction? Q is quotient is the whole number. R is the remainder. Remainder comes in the numerator and divisor D in the denominator. So this becomes quotient over here is 2. Remainder is 1. And the divisor is 4. Hence 9 by 4 converts to 2 1 by 4 as the mixed fraction. 1 by 4 over here is a proper fraction. Let's take one more example. If we have say 11 by 3. Similarly, what we did in the first example, we'll do the same thing over here. First, we'll divide 11 by 3. So we get 3 3s and 9, and when we subtract 9 from 11, we get 2. 2 is the remainder, hence 11 by 3 gets converted to Q over here is 3. My remainder is 2 and the divisor is 3 again. So 11 by 3 becomes 3 2 by 3. Now the concept is very, very simple. I hope it is clear with these examples. Now with this, I am giving a few practice questions over here. Try them and it's very simple. I hope the concept is clear. Please tune in for more such videos to understand more about fractions. Thank you.